Rise and shine, balanced baddies. You should already be up because it's 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Listen, I know a lot of you have reservation about holistic, homeopathic, essential oils. Those things are from the earth. And y'all do a lot worse things than turn into Mother Nature. So, what I want you to do is just channel your inner Beyonce and then strut into the realm of holistic living, because when you heal yourself holistically, you are focused on everything from head to your white little pretty pedicure toes, the inside, the out. That is what I love about having a life that is based on holistic living, because it's everything I take care of: my spiritual wellness, my emotional wellness, my physical wellness, my financial wellness, my occupational. I take care of everything, and I heal my total wellness. So if you are new to holistic living, welcome. I'm Savvy B, your local certified holistic health and wellness practitioner. I have certifications in nutrition, advanced essential oil therapy. Also, I have certifications in understanding women's hormones as well as PCOS. So, if you are dealing with any type of hormonal imbalance, I'm your girl. So what I need you to do is click the link in my bio, grab your free e-guide, and that is how you're going to get started on this journey to balance your hormones.